Welcome. If you want to make your Discord server more accessible and welcoming, setting a low moderation level is a great place to start. Today I'll walk you through the simple steps to set your server's moderation level to low, updated for 2025. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, navigate to the server where you want to adjust the moderation settings. You'll see your list of servers on the left side of the screen. Tap on the server icon to enter. Once you're inside your chosen server, look to the top of the screen. Tap either the three dots or the server's name at the top. This opens up the server options menu. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a menu where you can manage all aspects of your server. Scroll down and find the Moderation section. Tap on Moderation to access the moderation settings. This is where you can control who can interact in your server and what requirements they need to meet. Now, look for the moderation level or verification level option. Here, you'll see several choices, ranging from none to highest. To make your server more open, select low. This means that users must have a verified email on their Discord account before they can send messages in your server. It's a good balance between keeping out spam and making it easy for new members to join the conversation. After choosing low, don't forget to save your changes. There's usually a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to make sure your new settings take effect. That's it. Your Discord server is now set to a low moderation level. This setting helps new members join and participate quickly, while still providing a basic layer of security. If you want to adjust these settings later, just repeat these steps. Remember, you can always increase moderation if you notice spam or unwanted behavior. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with your fellow server admins. Enjoy building your community.